Let's get a check on the weekend weather with Susan Powell, who's here and smiling, which is a good sign.
I'm smiling, Ruth, for once. Actually, it's the weekend and the weather looks like it's going to behave itself relatively well. I'm not going to promise you wall-to-wall sunshine. I can't promise you it'll be entirely dry, but there will be a lot of fine weather. There should be some decent sunny spells, and I think in the sunshine it should feel pleasantly warm. Been quite a bit of cloud around though this afternoon. This is the satellite picture from the last few hours. You can see it's a little bit speckledy here. There have been some gaps in the cloud. The sun's poked through from time to time, but the covering of clouds fairly solid now. And if you're heading out this evening, take an umbrella with you, because chances are by the time you turn around to come home, there will be some showers around, and some will still linger towards the end of the night. A pretty breezy night, but a mild night, lows of 14 or 15. As Saturday gets underway, still some showers to the south and east of our region first thing, but the morning should see those clearing quickly, and then hopefully some bright or sunny spells. Come the afternoon though, again a risk of just a few scattered showers pushing into the far north. But I think a lot of fine weather on Saturday, a much lighter wind than today, and highs of 20 or 21 degrees. Looking at the weekend though, Sunday I think probably our most promising day of the two, because of this little ridge of high pressure pushing up from the south. Blink and you'll miss it though, because it really is only around for Sunday. I'll show you what happens next in just a moment, but for Sunday that ridge is going to make for a lot of fine weather. Very, very unlucky if we see any showers on Sunday. Certainly I think our sunniest day, and highs of 22 or 23. Let's go back to that pressure chart now though, because it gives you some indication of what we're expecting to happen early next week, and that's some weather fronts to come sweeping down from the north of the British Isles and kind of linger on Monday and Tuesday. So we're talking about some thicker cloud around to start the new week, some drizzly outbreaks of rain, and that's going to have a knock-on effect on the temperatures. But amongst all of that, you may have noticed to the north high pressure building, and for the second half of the week ahead, that does mean we should see more in the way of sunshine, and it could turn out to be surprisingly warm by the time we get into Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Temperatures back up in the mid-20s, Riz.
Sounds good. Susan, thanks very much. Just before we go, a reminder of the main headlines.